Growing organs from stem cells. Section 1. The problem. The crisis. There are over 100,000 people on the transplant waiting list in the US alone at this time. So many die waiting. Now the dream. Imagine if instead of waiting for a donor and then hoping for a match, doctors could take a sample of your skin, program it, and grow you a new kidney, liver, or heart in a few weeks. Now, the reality check. So we aren't quite there yet. But in 2025, we got significantly closer. Section 2. The science. How it works. Organoid technology. Organoid technology, that is mini organs. So this is one of the most successful methods to date. Basically, organoids are tiny, simplified, three-dimensional structures grown in a lab dish that mimic the structure and function of a real organ. Now, source are the stem cells. So often these are the induced pluripotent stem cells or iPSCs, which are patient-specific stem cells created by reprogramming adult cells, that is like skin or blood cells. Now this avoids immune rejection and ethical issues associated with embryonic stem cells. Differentiation. The stem cells are given a precise cocktail of growth factors and nutrients, mimicking the signaling cues that occur during natural embryonic development. Self-organization. Now, pluripotent stem cells possess the inherent ability to self-organize into complex structures. So, when grown in a 3D scaffold or like a spotted gel, they can arrange themselves into the distinct cell types and spatial architecture of an organ. Section 3. Where are we? So mini organs are here. We have successfully grown functional organoids for the kidney, liver, and pancreas. Real world use. We are already using these to test drugs. Instead of testing a cancer drug on you, we test it on a mini avatar of your liver to see if it's toxic. This was all. Thanks for watching.